So yeah, super excited. And then Eva's going to jump in the water again now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go check it out. We've got loads of videos. Over 10,000 subscribers now. There's Evie Cater. Let's get a shot of that. Oh, just look at that calves. Look at the calves. Okay guys, so we're quickly going to jump in here. Absolutely stunning, beautiful day for diving in the kelp forest. Oh, God, wait. West Coast rock lobsters, like they say on the permits, but yeah, in the West Coast we call them crayfish. In South Africa we call them crayfish, but it's your normal lobster. So yeah, absolutely stunning, beautiful place here that we are today. A lot of other divers also getting in the water. There's one already going in. So yeah, we're quickly going to get dressed because we are so excited to get in the water again. Yesterday we found a couple of hojas, found a couple of bugs yesterday. So yeah, the water is ice cold. Even couldn't dive yesterday. I lasted longer, and that's something that doesn't happen very often, but I did last a little bit longer than him in the water. So let's see if we can get, we're allowed 4, but the inspectors are crazy at the moment. They are everywhere. So we're allowed 4 per person. And then yeah, so let's get in the water, let's get in our suits, and then I can't wait to get in the water again. It's super cool, diving in kelp forests and seeing something different. It's not something that we do every day, and we don't have a lot of diving days. Today is the 2nd day of the open season for crayfish diving. So yeah, we're quickly going to jump in the water, and then hopefully afterwards we're going to do, Evie's chef. Evie, explain to us what we're going to do with the crayfish when we catch them. A little catch cook.
It's quite simple. Garlic butter, well, garlic mixed with butter, and a bit of salt and pepper. I don't know, we'll see how it goes.
We're gonna fry them up on the beach in a pan. You don't want to miss that. You have to watch the whole episode to see. But we're gonna go to a nice little spot here on the rocks. We're gonna have some lovely crayfish, garlic butter, and maybe some lemon juice.
Yeah,
little bit of lemon juice on there. A little bit of lemon juice just to get a little bit of a zing. Okay, so let's get going. Okay guys, so that was a very successful dive and I really enjoyed that, even though it was really cold. We got our quota, and very sad that we throw 3 back, but like I said previously, the inspectors are here and they're just coming down just now. He just quickly went to fetch his forms, then he's going to come and check that all our crays are legal size, and also that we don't take more than what we're allowed to take. So yeah, I'm gonna film when he's back. Okay guys, so we've got the inspectors with us. They're just making sure that we're doing everything legally. And there's our crayfish. There you can see lovely crayfish. So the guys just doing their job, making sure that nobody takes illegal, undersized, too much, or crayfish with eggs on them. So they're just doing their job. Okay, so I promise you that we will do garlic butter, salt and pepper, and lemon juice. Catch and cook for you on that crayfish. So Chef Evan is going to prepare that for us. So we are here. It's absolutely beautiful. How nice is this to have your lunch after a long dive? Have your lunch right here on the west coast. Absolutely amazing. Just like I remember it when I was a little boy and me and my dad was diving these shores for crayfish. So yeah, yesterday we had it like the traditional style, in a milk can on the fire. Everybody dig in, whole family digs in. Today we're going to make it a little bit more interesting with in a pan, crayfish in a pan. We're going to make a little gas thingy quickly, and then we're going to get them going. So Evie's just going to clean that poop chute for us now. We did it yesterday. So takes the tentacle, the horn there, from there, takes that, and he puts a thick part in first, twists it, and then he pulls out the whole poop chute.
Let's hope it comes. Come on. Oh, that is kind of the
Yeah,
poop
there
chute.
you go, poop shoots out. So that's the way that Evie cleans his crayfish. Okay, so there he goes. Takes a very hard knife that can take the punishment of cutting a crayfish in half. But he cuts through the whole crayfish. Yes. Huh?
Sinds ek hier bord om op te druk.
Hey.
Ai.
Cuts it off, the poop shoots out.
Just rinse this out,
Yeah,
yeah.
he's gonna rinse that out quickly.
There's some people who eat this.
No, we don't eat that.
We don't eat
We do
that.
not eat that. That is the popo.
So we believe.
That is guts and everything, but yeah, I'm definitely not gonna eat that. Well, you just had a taste of it.
Okay. Lekker salt door te rinse. Yes, like
Oh,
that.
beautiful. Beautiful, fresh, clean crayfish. Ooh, with waves. All we need is something to drink now. But unfortunately, it's a family show, so we're not going to go there. But yeah, he's just putting a little bit of salt on there. Pepper.
It's not normally how I do it, but
And how do you normally do it?
with crayfish curry.
Yeah, we're gonna do a crayfish curry episode. Sometime we'll do a crayfish curry. Evie makes a world famous crayfish curry. Or should I say a Harker family famous curry crayfish? So we'll do that episode. Maybe Easter weekend we'll come back, because yeah, I just really enjoyed these 2-3 days that we had here. So maybe Easter, there's another couple of diving days on Easter, and maybe we'll make a crayfish curry then. Oh, okay, there goes the butter.
Let's get some lekker
Garlic.
back on garlic.
Is that so? Even is in his element. He's making food. Even likes making food. So yeah, I think we must actually we're gonna focus a little bit more on catch and cook with Chef Evan. We're gonna with Chef Kato, Chef Calves. We'll make a little thing with a catch cook with Chef Calves. We'll call it Chef Calf. Yeah, it's on. Otherwise the butter wouldn't be melted.
Yeah, no, but is it not? I
It's
know.
on its
It's highest.
highest. Oh, in goes the craze. Oh, in goes the craze.
Nice. Saucy there.
Is the pan too small?
I think so. The bugs is also.
Just luckily we took some of the smaller bugs. We didn't take the big bugs. And now he's adding a little bit of lemon juice on them. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. That garlic, the butter, the crayfish, the fresh crayfish, it smells absolutely amazing. Okay, so Evie, how do we know when it's done?
You just have to check it,
Okay,
taste it, and
so you need to feel it with your finger when it's nice and firm.
yeah, it's quite firm.
When it's nice and firm, you can you know that it's done. So we're going to take that out and let it cool off a little bit. Evie's also broken the claws off and the feet off, so that, yeah, is that enough garlic?
Don't you like garlic?
Yes, but that's more garlic than crayfish.
It's never enough garlic, my man.
So yeah, we're going to let that cool off, and then we're going to quickly throw the mussels in there as well.
Hey.
Oh, look at that beautiful lobster on the rocks. Literally, the lobsters are lying on the rocks. There's some. There's not a lot of meat in those, but they are nice for an appetizer. I'm gonna dig in first.
Let's have a go.
Still warm.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. You're gonna have to excuse me now.
We wouldn't say that we had crayfish yesterday. You wouldn't say that we just had crayfish yesterday. By the way, we're going to eat this. We're going to devour this now. Okay, so I'm also going to have a quick taste here.
Take everyone salt on there. It's alright?
I can't speak. Oh, that's nice. Oh,
I want some more.
my God. That is absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's what you get. Okay guys, so I'm going to enjoy that mussel, and I still have half a crayfish left. I'm going to enjoy that, and thank you to everybody that has subscribed. Remember, the online shop, we still have a lot of merchandise left, so go check out the online shop, blowdum.com, and I hope to catch you guys in another episode.